Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whether for business, leisure, or fulfilling a lifelong dream, buying your own airplane can be a thrilling yet intimidating journey. Today, I'm here to guide you step by step on making this dream a reality, ensuring it's an exciting experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine your needs. Before beginning your search for the perfect airplane, make sure you have taken the time to think through what you need from the aircraft and what type will best fit your needs. Consider factors such as pilot experience, budget, performance requirements, kind of flying, whether that is BFR or IFR or both, and desired features. This will help you narrow down the aircraft type that is right for you. For example, if you want to use it for flight training, you'll be likely looking for an aircraft with a fixed gear and a fixed prop, such as a Cessna 172 or Piper Warrior. On the other hand, if you want to travel for business or leisure, consider a turboprop or jet, depending on how far you want to fly. If you're not 100% sure what aircraft is best for you, consider hiring an experienced aircraft broker. If you need help with that, don't hesitate to reach out to me. During this step, you should also consider getting pre-approved for financing. This gives you a chance to jumpstart the process so you can walk into a potential airplane deal already armed with the financial backing of a lender. A good place to start is the AOPA. Also, if you plan to buy the aircraft under an LLC and you don't have the LLC established, this is the time to file the paperwork with your state or hire a lawyer, since the process can take weeks. Step 2, locate the aircraft. Now that you know what you're looking for, the search begins. There are some great platforms available online where you can start your hunt. I've listed some of the top ones in the description below. And remember, a good broker can sometimes make all the difference, helping you locate the best options available. Step 3, research aircraft history. Once you have located a few airplanes that fit your needs, call the seller. Ask questions about the aircraft's history and condition, and request a copy of the digital logbooks. It's essential to take some time to research each one's history before making any decisions or offers. If you don't possess the knowledge, hire an A&P mechanic or airframe and powerplant mechanic to review the logbooks, which contain maintenance records and other data about the airplane's past performance and condition. Trust, but always verify. If you're a member of the AOPA, for $105, you can also order a title search package from Aerospace Reports, which includes a title search, aircraft records, and any accident or incident reports. Number 4. Schedule a showing. Once all the research looks good, it's time to schedule a showing so that you can see the plane in person. Consider bringing your flight instructor, A&P mechanic, or any other experienced professional with knowledge about the aircraft. This can help you make a better decision, especially when dealing with used airplanes. Step 5, make an offer. Now comes the fun part, making an offer on the plane. Depending on who owns it, a private seller or dealer, there may be some room for negotiation. And this is where an aircraft broker comes in handy, since they understand the market and can help you secure a better deal. Once both parties agree on the terms of the sale, you, the seller or the broker, should draft an LOI, letter of intent, or aircraft purchase agreement. An LOI is a non-binding agreement, and the aircraft purchase agreement is a legal contract that also can be created by an aviation lawyer. From my experience, an LOI is mainly used in the turboprop and jet market, and in the piston market, usually you go straight for the aircraft purchase agreement. Before you sign, read and understand the terms and ensure that the initial deposit is refundable if financing is not approved or the pre-purchase inspection is unsatisfactory. Step 6, open escrow. Even though it's not required, I highly advise using escrow to complete the transaction, since they will perform a title search, collect the money, and file all the paperwork with the FAA. I personally recommend AIC Title or Aerospace Reports. If you decide not to use an escrow, always perform a title search before moving forward. I don't know how many times I've seen people not do a title search and buy the airplane. You don't want to be that person. Step 7, schedule a pre-purchase inspection. Before closing the deal, you should hire a reputable A&P or Part 145 repair station to perform a pre-purchase inspection to ensure the aircraft is in airworthy conditions and has no hidden issues. The mechanics will check the aircraft records and inspect the airframe and power plant and propeller if that is applicable. Regardless of the price, it's worth the investment since it will provide you valuable insight and help you make a smart decision. Step 8. Close the deal. Upon completion of the pre-purchase inspection, and if everything checks out, call Escrow and let them know that you're ready to close. They will wire the funds to the seller and you will receive a signed bill of sale and aircraft registration application, which serves as your temporary registration and proof of ownership. If the aircraft is out of state, make sure all required paperwork is on board the aircraft. This includes the airworthiness certificate, radio license only for international operations, weight and balance, flight manual, and aircraft logbooks. And the reason why I say this is because I actually flew out to California to help a client buy an airplane, and the airworthiness certificate was not on board the aircraft. So that being said, purchasing an airplane is a big decision that should never be taken lightly. However, by following these steps, you can ensure that the process goes smoothly and that you end up with the right airplane. Good luck with your shopping journey, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.